Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a PowerPoint template and I have made it using the morph transition only. And let me show you how to make it. But first, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like these. And don't forget to comment down to get more of these amazing videos and to let us know about your opinion, and also like the video. And let's start. So first of all, open a PowerPoint template, adjust your images and put them onto the slide, and we're gonna put it onto the slide like this. But be sure to use the right images with high resolution, and we're gonna put them in a shape that is called rounded cornered rectangle, and we're gonna adjust them and insert any pictures needed. Let's adjust this picture and we're gonna crop it to this shape. Let's decrease its size. And what we're gonna do next is put it into the place. So now the next thing we're gonna do is select all of them and adjust them by duplicating the template and go to crop, and we're gonna crop these shapes into this, that only half of the image comes into the screen. And there you go. Now the next thing we're gonna do is keep going to crop the images that they become half. I have used about 6 images for this slide, and you can the exact images and about 6 images. Now you have to add your text and change its color. There you go. Let me just adjust this image as well. Let's adjust the text into the middle and increase its size and change its font and change its color as well. So I have adjusted all of them. Now we're gonna duplicate the template and we're gonna select the text and remove it. And we're gonna put these shapes next to each other. We're gonna take one from top and one from bottom, and we're gonna create a sequence. And there you go. Be sure to use the same images in the next slide as well. Don't change the images as it will disrupt the morph transition. So let's increase their size and let's create some gap between them. And there you go. Now what I'm gonna do is select each one of them and decrease their size according to the preference. And I'm gonna adjust them in different places, right like this. Now again, what we're gonna do is select all of these shapes and put them. Let's duplicate this template and we're gonna go to fourth template and choose or select all of these and move them to the left side and move this one to the right side, and we're gonna move this one right here, and we're gonna select these four and we're gonna move them to the left and this one to the right, and we're gonna select the remaining shape and we're gonna increase its size right like this into the entire rectangle, and we're gonna add the text in it. Let's duplicate the same template and move these three right here and these two right here, and we're gonna increase the size of this remaining rectangle that is into the middle. And now we're gonna select them and adjust them and decrease their gap, and let's decrease their size as well. Now what we're gonna do is select this particular image and decrease its size. Now you have to select this image and fill it into the entire rectangle. Add your text. Do the same with other templates. What we're gonna do is you have to move some of the shapes onto the right and move some of the other remaining onto the left, and you have to only leave one into the middle, and we're gonna increase its size like this, and there you go. let's fit the entire image into the entire rectangle, and we're gonna add the text. And the same goes for the next slide and the next slide. And this way we're gonna make the entire 6 images by duplicating the templates and increasing the size of that one picture that were in a sequence. There you go. So now we're gonna select all of them and give them morph transition. And so this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos and content like this. Don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion, and don't forget to like the video and save it into watch later to get benefit from this video. And that was all for today. Meet you in another amazing video with more fun content like this.